The world's largest land animal, the elephant. Strength, intelligence, memory, and family, everything makes them an extraordinary creature. In today's video, we will explore 12 amazing facts about elephants, their lifestyle, behavior, power, intelligence, habitat, and many mysterious unknown facts. So let's begin the video. Blue Square 1. Introduction and species of elephants. There are mainly 3 species of elephants. African bush elephant, African forest elephant, Asian elephant. Heavy checkmark African elephants are the largest. Heavy checkmark Asian elephants are smaller with smaller ears. Heavy checkmark the ears of African elephants look like the map of the African continent. The world's largest land animal, the elephant. Strength, intelligence, memory, and family, everything makes them an extraordinary creature. In today's video, we will explore 12 amazing facts about elephants, their lifestyle, behavior, power, intelligence, habitat, and many mysterious unknown facts. So let's begin the video. Blue Square 1. Introduction and species of elephants. There are mainly 3 species of elephants. African bush elephant, African forest elephant, Asian elephant. Heavy checkmark African elephants are the largest. Heavy checkmark Asian elephants are smaller with smaller ears. Heavy checkmark the ears of African elephants look like the map of the African continent. Physical structure of elephants. Elephants have the most powerful body among all land animals. Height, 8 to 13 feet. Weight, 2,000 to 6,000 kilograms. Tusks, highly valuable long incisor teeth. Trunk, contains over 40,000 muscles. With the trunk, they. Heavy checkmark drink water. Heavy checkmark break tree branches. Heavy checkmark collect food. Heavy checkmark lift their babies. Heavy checkmark make sounds. Heavy checkmark can even hold things like a human hand. Blue Square 3. Elephant intelligence. Elephants have the largest brain among land mammals. They have long-term memory like humans. They mourn when a member dies. They stand in the same place for days after losing a family member. They can recognize themselves in a mirror, self-awareness. They show feelings and emotions similar to humans. Blue Square 4. Movement and behavior of elephants. Elephants walk slowly but powerfully. Heavy checkmark they can run 25 to 30 kilometers per hour. Heavy checkmark soft sponge-like pads under their feet reduce sound. Heavy checkmark they use the same path repeatedly. Heavy checkmark communicate through touch. Heavy checkmark raise their trunk to detect distant sounds. Blue Square 5. Elephant family structure, social life. Elephants are highly family-oriented. Their family is called a herd. A herd contains 10 to 20 elephants. Led by an experienced elderly female, matriarch. All members help raise the baby. In danger, the whole herd surrounds the calf to protect it. Daily lifestyle of elephants. Daily activities of elephants include Searching for food in the morning. Eating for 16 to 18 hours a day. Coating their body with mud and sand to stay cool. Resting near water at noon. Walking slowly with the herd at night. Sleeping only 2 to 3 hours a day. Blue square 8. Elephant food and diet. Elephants are complete herbivores. They eat heavy checkmark grass, heavy checkmark leaves, heavy checkmark bamboo, heavy checkmark fruits, heavy checkmark tree bark, heavy checkmark roots. An adult elephant eats 100 to 150 kilograms of food daily and drinks 50 to 70 liters of water. Blue square 9. Birth and baby care. Elephants have the longest pregnancy among any animal, 22 months. A newborn weighs 90 to 120 kilograms. All female elephants in the herd teach the baby. The calf drinks mother's milk first, then learns to eat plants. Stays with the mother for 10 to 12 years. Blue square 10. Threats and dangers to elephants. The global elephant population is decreasing rapidly. Major threats. Crossmark deforestation. Crossmark human conflict. Crossmark illegal ivory trade. Crossmark lack of food. Many international projects are now working to protect elephants. Blue square 11. Special abilities of elephants. Elephants have many unique skills. They communicate long distances using infrasound. They sense earthquakes or footsteps from miles away. They can detect underground water. They are excellent swimmers. A trunk can lift up to 200 kilograms. Blue square 12. Unknown and interesting facts. Elephants can never jump. Baby elephants behave like human kids. The bigger the ears, the better the elephant can stay cool. When angry, elephants can run 30 to 40 kilometers per hour. They fear fire, which is why they panic and run through villages. Clapperboard. So what did we learn from this video? Powerful, intelligent, and family-loving, creatures like elephants are truly rare on Earth. Protecting this majestic giant is our responsibility. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share.